So, du sollst dich mal sehen.
I'll take your word for it. What is it? Looks like you got something on your mind. Too radical for me. And I think they were behind what happened in '86. Yeah, same to you.
Okay, kann ich ein 20 da hinlegen für die nächste Person? Wenn ich jetzt kein Geld mehr groß
Say,
ausgebe.
you look familiar. You're one of those teens on the posters. Yeah, I'd recognize that silhouette anywhere. Better call the cops. Make sure you're not missing. I am. See that pump? Serve gas for me and we won't have any problems.
Und Digga, was für ein Wichser. Ich schaue mich kurz ein bisschen um. Bin ja mittlerweile schlau und kann auch hacken. Okay, interessant. Kann ich aber mit dem Auto wegfahren, aber es ist gut zu wissen, dass ich mit dem Auto dann... Aber davor mache ich eine kleine Pause, wir sehen uns dann im kleinen Cut. Juhu, jetzt darf ich erstmal in der Schicht arbeiten.
Don't keep them waiting. Remember to smile.
Ja, fick dich.
10 liters of unleaded. Make it fast. Perfect. Baby's right is really gotta burn now.
Oh, any mistakes will be docked from your pay.
And now, a sneak peek of today's Sonia show.
Halt die Fresse,
When
Sonja.
asked if he feared his political opponent, President Tyrak chuckled and said, "Who?" Tune in later to hear more.
The Sonia
Oh
Show.
Gott.
Now that's the real news.
Du bist so ein dummer Vollidiot. Wie viel wollt ihr?
Give me $15 diesel.
$15 Diesel, okay. So.
Nice. Thanks.
What? You got a job working here?
I don't want your kind around here.
My kind? What do you mean, my kind?
I know what you're up to. Trying to leave
Was
the
daran
country.
schlimm, du Bastard?
Border crossers. Tyrak is right to do to you what he does. Oh, look who's pulling in. Yeah, you'd better run.
Jetzt kommen jetzt Bullen oder wie? Oh, scheiße. Oh, scheiße.
Hey, little young to pump gas, aren't you?
Nein.
If you say so.
Ja?
Just give me $12 of V-Power. Did I see a kid run off?
You did, yeah. How's that for a guilty conscience?
Thanks, kid. Now, about that kid.
Digga, ist das gruselig.
You hear about the hitcher?
Nope. Just for the gas.
He ran off towards my shed. I know he plans to cross. He said as much.
Ich würde die
And
Fresse
who are
halten.
you? Have I seen you someplace? Stay right there, okay? Come on, Reed. Let's
Ach
have a
nee.
look.
Flip me. I know what you're thinking, kid. You want to help the kid, but that would be a mistake. You understand what I'm telling you?
Oh Gott!
Come out, kid. We know you're in here. There you are. Where do you
Nein!
think you're going?
I didn't do anything. Leave me alone.
You hear that? Kid's innocent.
Uh-huh. Just like all the others.
Get him in the van. I'll join you in a sec. Now what about this one?
This one's legit. Works here.
I don't know. Look how dirty she is. Looks like a crosser to me. Not gonna talk, huh? Well, you'll have plenty
Nach,
of time
Bruder,
at
halt
the
die
station.
Fresse, Digga.
You're coming with me.
I'll take it from here.
Yo, what?
I'll book her. Besides, saves you room to pick up another kid.
Fine, guess.
Shut up, kid.
Ja, so ein kleiner Bastard, wirklich. Uff! Oh Gott.
Okay, you can go. No trick, kid. You didn't break any law. Those guys were just on a power trip. Sorry I yelled at you like that. Had to make it look real. And I'm sorry about the other kid. He seemed nice. Oh, I thought maybe you were traveling together. Seems like you want to ask me something. They don't bother me unless it gets violent. Well, make sure you get registered. Bye, kid. Take care, okay?
Oh Gott, Bruder! Digga, wie du mich ausgelacht hast, wirklich.
She let you go? Fine. Just take it easy, okay?
Oh, $104, Digga, das ist crazy, Alter. Ich kann da... Dann stell ich mal ins Auto, ne? Ist schon noch ein ganz schön langer Weg, aber sieht doch schon mal recht gut aus.
Thanks for stopping, young blood. Mr. Grizzly broke down.
Oh nein.
I need to find a phone to make a call. I got this map here. You see a little truck? That's where we are now.
Okay, gehe ich erstmal nach Süden. Ich gehe nach Westen, dann nach Norden, dann nach Osten.
No time to waste, young cub. So, young blood, where were you headed before picking me up? Guess you got a foreign work permit, huh? Don't worry, I'm on your side.
Ehre.
Well, it started for a good reason. But now, I'm afraid things are getting too radical. What do you think? We didn't do everything the government said we did. Believe me.
Okay.
Phone booth! Good job, young blood. Wait a minute. I'll be quick. Robert, can you hear me? Robert! Can you hear me? Robert! God damn it! We're losing time, young blood. I gotta get to a phone.
Ah, scheiße. Okay. Hä? Hier?
No time to waste, young cub.
Okay, also funktioniert's nicht wirklich.
We gotta find a phone. I don't like leaving my rig alone like that.
Ja, das glaube ich dir.
Go just up the road a ways. Yep, but a lot of people are looking for my truck. We're gonna have to take a detour. I love trailer parks. It's where I sleep best. I've updated the map.
Okay, dann muss ich noch. So.
Let's roll!
Oh Gott, da waren Cops. Scheiße.
Gotta be a phone around here somewhere.
Wir werden eins finden.
Calm. That's good.
Boah, wenn mich jetzt die Cops finden, Digga, das wäre so scheiße.
Phone booth? Good work. Wait a sec. I'll be quick.
Ja, das solltest du auch, Bruder.
Robert? Yeah, we have a problem. The truck broke down. Yeah, right there. Yeah, the transmitter's all right. Right. Yeah. Fine. I'll be there. Yeah, thanks.
Ah, scheiße.
No, I didn't. Understand me? Now let's get back to Mr. Grizz. Hopefully he's all right. Everything's here, young blood. What a relief. My friends will be here soon. You should go, okay? Here's the dough I promised.
Brauchst du nicht. Oh Gott, ich bin einfach so rich.
Thanks, young blood. And your secret is safe with me too. I wish you luck on this grand adventure of yours.
Dankeschön. Digga, ich kann einfach 70 € oder so da lassen. Das ist halt crazy, Mann. Yo, what the fucking... Oh mein Gott, wie geil. Okay, es kann ja sein, dass da wahrscheinlich wieder Cops sind oder so. Sonja! Hat sie sich jetzt der Schwarzen Brigade angeschlossen? Oh Gott. Spiele ich jetzt Sonja oder? Was für Sonja, Digga? Sorry, oder? Okay, keine Ahnung. Muss irgendeinen Grund haben, dass ich die Sachen mir kicken kann. Kann ich da ein Dings nach da unten kicken? Oh, viel Glück. Bitte nicht. Oh Gott. Kann das mein Fehler sein? Schnell, schnell. Oh Gott, oh Gott, oh Gott, die Cops um.
Hey, get down.
Oh Gott.
My bad. Backpack, dirty, smelly. I take it you're looking for the cave. Ha. As if you don't know. Follow me.
Okay.
We need to get away from the road. I know where the cave is. At least, I think I do. My name's Zoe. I don't know about you, but I've had a pretty intense journey to get here. Tough, but good.
Freut mich.
All I'll say is, after everything, I'm a different person. And that's good. Believe me, I want to help people now, not just myself.
Du bist... Ah, ist schon ein Vibe, Alter. Wenn er so ganz geil da rumspaziert und dann halt einfach so... Oh, schon ein Killer.
See the waterfall over there? That's where we're headed.
Skies and summer nights, I know the road is my home. It's what it feels like to be free, chasing butterflies and
Wow,
Ja, man,
look at
schon
this
so.
view.
I've got no doors, I need no keys. Another world to be seen. It feels so
wrong here, there's still so much beauty. Just a sec. I want to try something. Echo! Echo!
Ja,
I know,
weiß
cheesy,
gar nicht, was sie von
but
mir
I've
will.
always wanted to do that. You must have had some pretty amazing adventures yourself. Tell me about it. Is it just because we have a tyrannical child as a president? Maybe there's something in the water from all the drilling. The cave should be just up there. Again, I think. Follow me.
Oh, geile Dings, muss man
Looks
was
like
sagen.
revolutionaries were here. Right on.
Eine sehr schöne Grafik.
You're a moderate. I can get down with that. At least on certain issues. The radio was right. I can't believe this place really exists. It's so cool. Come on, let's check it out. Look, someone left their things behind.
Ja, das passt so.
It's somebody's journal. A man and his son were traveling together. This cave isn't only used by teens.
Ja, stimmt.
He was frightened they wouldn't make it. Me too. This country has ruined so many lives.
Ja.
Come on, let's go back and start a fire. It's cold in here. Grab some sticks, and we'll need a light. Know how to start a fire?
Natürlich.
If we can start one,
Will
we
ich
should be warm
beeindrucken?
into a
Ich kann
shape in no
natürlich
time.
Feuer machen. Ja. So. Muss doch irgendwo noch ein Holz sein. Boah, bin ich blöd, wenn. Noch einen Stein hinzufügen. Ich habe ja Streichhölzer.
Sorry.
Ah Mann, das ist so ein wholesome, geiles Ding.
You know how earlier I said I wanted to help people? Well, this is how I'm gonna do it.
Das ist die bevorstehende Pumpeneinweihung. Betrifft es am besten, keine Fragen zu 1986 zu beantworten. Die Chancen, dass du dazu befragt wirst, sind sehr gering. Vor allem nicht von Sonja Sanchez, aber jegliche Antwort liegt die Frage und sei Zweifel im Kopf der Wähler. Und das können wir nicht zulassen. Nicht, wenn wir hoffen, diese Frau zu schlagen. Wir alle wissen, dass an dem Tag Leben verloren gingen. Frederik, Brigaden hin oder her. Aber was wir an dem Tag getan haben, indem wir den Berg hochjagen, war es wert. Stell dir mal vor, was sie uns antun würden, wenn sie jemals an die Macht kämen.
Classified government documents showing the brigades didn't cause the collapse in '86, like everyone says. Tyrak. Mount National was rigged with explosives to prevent avalanches, like every other year.
Ja, okay, kleiner
When the brigades tried
Witzbold,
to take Tyrak out, he triggered the explosion. Let's just say, my dad has a very important position in the government. I'm going to try. The brigades are gonna help me reach the other side. When I get to the border, they'll send me a signal. And when I cross, if I cross, I'll share this with every foreign news outlet I can. If you want, sure.
Ist mir voll die Augen geöffnet.
We should probably get some rest then.
Digga, ich guck gar nicht bei ihr anzuschleimen, aber ist auch das Beste, Digga. Ich mag so Menschen. Schleim ich weiter.
Tomorrow is the beginning of the end of Tyrak. I hope.
Hä, wo bist du? Ach, fick dich. Ich stelle gerade fest, dass ich nie nach deinem Namen gefragt habe. Vielleicht ist es dämlich, aber ich habe beschlossen zu gehen. Ich denke aber, es ist besser, wenn ich alleine die Grenze überquere. Es ist gefährlich und ich möchte nicht, dass dir was Schlimmes zusteht. Viel Glück beim Überqueren. Ich werde an dich denken, mein Freund, und ich hoffe, dich eines Tages auf der anderen Seite zu sehen. In der Nähe des Ausgangs gibt es einen großen Felsen, der etwas wackelig aussieht. Ich hoffe, dass er sich nicht bewegt, wenn ich gehe und dir Probleme bereite. Oh Mann.
Kept inside so long.
Are you kidding me, man? This Walkman is a piece of junk. You should be arrested for trying to hack this. It's you. It's nice to see you. I thought we'd never see each other again.
So I took off with
Ja, was
my
machst du denn da?
I hope you're not angry with me about the
Ja,
cave.
doch bin ich.
I was just trying to help you.
Hast du
Really.
toll gemacht.
Thanks for saying that.
shaking hands. I hope this moment
There's been a delay, but I might cross tonight. That's why I was trying to buy a Walkman.
feels so
To hear the signal.
on the road and on my
Maybe I shouldn't say this here. The brigades are gonna send me a signal telling me when it's right to cross.
ocean away.
They could be sending me the signal right now. I need a Walkman.
The road is my home.
I dropped it in the cave. Of course. Come on, let's listen to it in my tent. Follow me.
Chasing butterflies.
Digga, was hast du für eine Laufanimation?
Got no
Ganz
doors,
wild,
I need
Bruder.
no keys. Another world.
Beautiful view, huh? Except for that monstrosity in the middle.
Ja, das kannst du
Come
laut sagen.
on, let's go to my tent.
On the road and on my own. Waking up. Streams of touch, no
Digga, ich habe jetzt vielen Leuten geholfen damit. Ich kann dem einen Jugendlichen noch Geld geben.
Whoa, hold up there, kid.
She's with me, Sean.
Sure, no problem. A friend of Zoe's is a friend of mine.
Feels so good. I know the road is my home.
Why? Jealous?
Feels so good. I know the road.
Look at those trucks lined up to cross. They're selling our resources to the rest of the world. But 99% of our people will never see any of that money. It all goes to Tyrak and his cronies, including my father. So, can I have my Walkman?
Oh ja, Entschuldigung.
Put it on 191.9.
This is 191.9, the voice of the brigades. This is your Papa Baby here. Before we begin, a personal message for Z.
This is it.
The rooster will sing 3 times. I repeat, the rooster will sing 3 times.
That was a signal. At 3 in the morning, a truck will crash into the wall. It's a diversion, something to draw security in. That's when we cross. I've been thinking, having someone with me could actually help. Wait, you do want to come with me, right? I didn't even ask. I would totally understand if...
Ach komm, ich bin mal
Great.
ganz nett.
Okay then. I know it's not cool, but we should get some sleep. You know, it's gonna be difficult, even with a diversion. I know I did. But this time, when you wake up, I'll be there. I promise. And then we'll cross together.
Schlaf gut.
Good night.
Ich freue mich schon auf den Schlepper. 100% mit Zoe. Yippie! Geil. Nice.
We're here! Come on! We don't have much time! Quick, up the stairs!
Jetzt müssen wir rennen, aber...
Let's go. Get down. It should be the door on the right.
Intruders in the West Wing hallway!
Hurry up. Security's triggered. They'll know we're here as soon as I open this. We'll have 10
my
seconds
gosh.
to reach the exit once we jump down. Yes, we can, but we have to believe.
Beeil dich!
Okay, here we go.
Schnell, schnell. Oh Gott!
There they are!
Spring!
Run, run.
Ja, alles gut, war ganz entspannt, ne?
Security breach!
Go, go.
Komm, wir sollen. Zoll war ein hohes Tier bei der Brigade. Oh Gott.
Yes, you might lose your life along the way. But for each person that falls, another rises up.
Schon wieder verloren, aber im Endeffekt war das besser, ihr zu helfen, als... Ja, you know?
The trick is to keep moving forward.
An der Grenze bin ich jetzt einfach gestorben. Aber Zoe kann vielleicht auch von außerhalb helfen.